check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Today we bring to you one of the most popular cars we sell here at RiiRoo, the licensed Mercedes AMG GLE 63S. The most popular and stylish cars we sell, that is a favourite with both parents and children alike. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing. Also, smash the like button if you like the video.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.